This is why YouTube automation is the biggest scam of 2024. I've spent 2 weeks looking into YouTube automation and learned the ugly truth about it. I will share it all with you to help you save time and money. And if you stick around till the end of the video, I will share a better way for you to make money off of YouTube that can help you pocket an extra $2,000 per month. So let's start right now. So how does YouTube automation work? A lot of gurus will tell you that you can hire folks on Fiverr or Upwork to make YouTube videos for you for cheap. And you can use AI for writing scripts or voiceovers. That way you can just chill, do nothing, and have everyone else do the work to help you make a viral video. But there are two red flags with this approach. First, it often leads to a lot of channels doing the same thing as thousands of others, like using stock footage from Storyblogs and Pexels. You'll even end up using the same AI tools like ChatGPT or InVideo. And this makes it very difficult to stand out from other channels. This can become a real issue because the YouTube channel doesn't like it when everybody is doing the same thing. This is called repurposed content, and it can get you in trouble with YouTube's monetization rules. So if you want to make money on YouTube, you have to be original and authentic. Another problem is that it's not as passive as the gurus will tell you it is. You have to manage all the people that you hire to make sure that they do a good job. They might not even understand what you want or even speak English that well. This can be really frustrating because you're paying them to do a job, but they might not deliver the quality that you will need to succeed. YouTube is very competitive, and if you want to make it big, you need to make videos that connect with your audience emotionally. This means you need to be good at a lot of things like editing, designing thumbnails, and writing scripts. These skills take time to learn, or you'll need to hire somebody who already has these skills and the experience. But hiring someone like that, it can be very expensive. So you might not want to do that until your channel is making enough money to cover those costs. The only real difference between YouTube automation and being a regular YouTuber is that you're not on camera. You still have to handle everything that goes into making a video, like coming up with ideas, writing descriptions, and editing footage. So let's just call it what it is, YouTube management. But that doesn't sound as easy. So some people will try to sell you courses and programs without telling you how much work is really necessary. They might promise you that you make so much money without much effort, but that is not true. You still need to put in the time and energy to make your channel successful. Some people might pay a lot of money for a channel that's already set up, but if they don't know how to make good videos, it's worthless. Having lots of subscribers doesn't mean anything if they're not watching your videos. What really matters is making content that your audience likes and delivering it in a way that makes them want to be emotionally involved. What are the potential risks to YouTube automation? One of the biggest complaints with YouTube automation, it being a scam, is that you might hire a freelancer to do a specific job, like coming up with video ideas, and after a few weeks they'll hand you in their notice. They left you, which meant that all that work was for nothing because you will have to start from scratch. This happens a lot. You're gonna have a high turnover rate with freelancers, and it's up to you how you'll be able to manage that. But that's not the only problem. You need to set up systems to make sure that everything flows correctly between freelancers so that it is truly automated. You'll need to put out job applications and judge people accurately so that you are hiring the best contractors, or at least the best for the budget that you have currently. You need to manage those freelancers. You need to come up with the initial ideas for the videos that you know are going to perform well, and you will have to make overall business decisions that will help move your channel forward. But here's the problem. Too many people are already doing it. If you want to try YouTube automation by yourself, you'll be competing with lots of companies doing the same thing. They have entire teams making channels in different areas, and they're really good at it. So you're up against them, but they have all the advantages like connections and steady income. It's not fair, but that's reality. There are some YouTube automation tools that promise to get more people to subscribe to your channel by trading subscriptions, and this is called sub to sub. You can find these all over the place like Facebook and Discord, which may increase your subscriber count, but it's not worth it because those people are not going to watch your videos anyways. No viewers, no engagement, no ad revenue. YouTube doesn't like this, and they'll punish your channel for doing something like this. This is known as fake engagement. Using bots or services to buy fake views, likes, comments, or shares can get your channel in trouble, even suspended, because it goes against YouTube's policy. YouTube wants your channel to have real interaction by real people, not bots. That's why they prefer that you do not use automation tools that break these rules. This includes spamming comments or replies that do not add value to the video itself. Also, don't use automation to borrow stuff from others without without asking. YouTube checks for that and you could get sued if you do it. If you use stuff that belongs to other people without asking, YouTube can give you a warning called a copyright claim. If you get 3 of these, your channel might get deleted. Then you will have to go through a complicated process to try to get it back. And you may even be banned from making future YouTube channels. The easiest way to avoid this is to create original content, or check that everything that you use falls under the category of Creative Commons or fair use. Remember that the YouTube algorithm is what decides what videos to show to people. If your videos look fake because of automation, they might not get shown to as many people. Some automation tools might not even work well for your channel or brand, making your videos feel unnatural or robotic, which will make people not want to watch them. Sometimes automation tools stop working as intended because YouTube changes its rules and the algorithm. Then that yearly subscription that you paid for that AI tool becomes a waste of money. Please keep in mind that 97% of YouTubers fail, even without automation. That means automation won't make things easier necessarily, nor would it guarantee success. Also, finding reliable people to work with is very difficult. Editors and voiceover artists might not always do a good job, and scripts might be sloppy. It's tough to know who's putting in the effort, especially if you're new to YouTube or content creation. You have to treat your YouTube channel like running a business. Before we get into how you can make an extra $2,000 per month on YouTube, please make sure that you subscribe if you found value in this video so you don't miss out on future content on business and finances. So what is a better strategy to make money off YouTube? Most people get discouraged on YouTube because they don't see the money coming in right away. Every video should have a plan for monetization. Being intentional is the key to making money off YouTube. All successful videos on YouTube had a plan behind it, where each second is very thought out. Making videos can be tough at first, especially when facing the camera. But once you're there, the real challenge is setting everything up behind the scenes. Here's a basic formula for making money quickly on YouTube. You have to upload long form videos consistently with links in your description. One simple way to make money with links in your description is through affiliate marketing. You review other companies' products, or you can make a comparison video that includes affiliate links in your description. When somebody buys the product off of your link, you earn a commission. This can become a steady source of income the more videos that you publish with this intent in mind. Affiliate marketing may seem scary, but it's simpler than you think. You can work as an Amazon affiliate or refer software tools or programs that you already use and like to use. You can reach out to companies and ask them about their affiliate programs if they have any. You have to make sure that in the videos where you have these links, you talk about it with keeping in mind what your viewers want. If that doesn't match, the people will not click or buy. Think about your viewers. Are they looking for reviews? If they are, they might be ready to buy already. So by making review videos with this in mind, you could make more money. If you find things that people buy every single month, like subscriptions, you can earn a lot more money over time compared to one-time purchases. Make sure you do not recommend things that you do not truly believe in. If you recommend bad stuff, people won't trust you anymore. You can also sell merchandise like shirts or mugs with your logo on them. It's not hard to set up and people do buy them. Another way to make money is through crowdfunding. You can ask your fans to give you money to support your work through websites like Patreon. You can also make and sell digital stuff like guides or ebooks. Once you make them, you can keep selling them for a long time, and that's when it becomes passive. You can even write a book or make a physical product like a gadget or a toy. People might buy them if they like your videos. You could also offer services like video editing or consulting. Even if you think that nobody will pay, there are always people who are searching for help. Sometimes companies will pay you so that you talk about their products in your videos. This is called a sponsorship or a brand deal, which can be a great way to make money on YouTube. Find brands that align with your values and audience. You don't need a ton of views to get started. Just focus on your niche and build a community. Consultations are a practical way to make money directly from your videos. Offer one-on-one sessions based on your expertise. This personal touch helps build trust within you and your audience and can lead to additional revenue streams. When it comes to pricing consultations, consider facts like your expertise, demand, the value you provide, and how much time you have to dedicate to this. Start by offering introductory rates and adjust as you gain experience and reputation. When it comes to charging for consultation, it depends on where you live and the value you provide on your videos. You have to figure out how much would it be worth it to invest so much of your personal time. Listen to your gut feeling about whether something is worth it or not. Do not forget to build an email list, which is crucial for long-term success on and off YouTube. It gives you control over your audience and it allows you to contact your audience directly even if you lose your YouTube channel. You can use email newsletters to promote your content, consultation, products, affiliate links, and make more money.